Hi, everyone. My name is Phil Cannato, implementation consultant with Prosymmetry. In this video, I'll show you how to assign resources to projects using the Bulk Project Allocation Flatgrid in Tempus, which I'm going to call the Flatgrid. So the Flatgrid's nice because it allows you to either make assignments or view existing assignments in bulk. From our home screen, we're going to go ahead and click the Flatgrid tile here. If this is your first time coming into the Flatgrid, you'll need to specify your date range here. If you were here previously, though, it will remember you from your last visit. And what we have here are three different modes. So the first mode we'll talk about is default mode. This mode is great for making new assignments because it allows you to pair any resource to any project. So when I just click these boxes here, I'm going to select Angela. We're going to look at Aurora Phase 15. And you see from this view, I can go ahead and enter assignments directly here. I'm making these assignments in time, so in hours, but also if you forecast an FTE or FTE percent, those are available to you as well. And this grid's going to work very similar to Excel, how we can copy, paste, cut and drag across the cells. I want to hit the save button here, and I've made my assignment. The next thing I want to show is resource mode. So the resource mode will give you a picture, if you're a resource manager, what exactly is my resource spending their time on? So here I want to take a look at Amy. And when I select her resource record here, you'll notice on the right-hand side, there's going to be a cross-reference to pull in any project to which Amy has an allocation. So on this view, I get that full view of what Amy has on her plate. These assignments can be modified just as we did in the previous view. If I want to add Amy to a new project in this view, I'll be able to do so as well. So in this case, we can pick our project. It'll let us select Amy. We can add a new task. And when I click Add New Assignment, we'll see here at the bottom that'll populate, and I'm able to make new assignments right in this view as well. So we'll go ahead and save that. We're going to go to the project view now. So this is going to work very similarly to the resource mode, but it's the opposite. So as we start selecting projects, so maybe I am the project manager of Bender Phase 1, I want to see who is assigned to my project. Once I click that, it's going to cross-reference over on the left all the resources who are assigned to that project. Similarly to how we did in the resource mode, I can add new assignments to this project in that same manner. Some cool features I want to point out here in the Flatgrid, the ability to add columns and group. So we can group or we can pull into as a column anything that we are tracking as an attribute. So our assignment attributes, resource attributes, project attributes, and also anything that we are tracking as a skills category. All those can be pulled into the view, or we can group by those as well. Some additional options out here. I always like to have my heat map enabled to see where my resources overall allocation compared to their capacity. There's also some content display controls out here as well. One last thing I'll point out is within these ellipses here, I'm able to copy my assignment and also access my resource replace or resource replace advanced functionality. For additional information, please visit our help center or reach out to your customer success manager.